Hi everybody, Crafting Journey, aka Rebecca, aka that Journey chick on Instagram. I have an unboxing for you. I've already peeked. Here, I'll tell you the reason I peeked later. But this, it came in an outer package, but it's bent, but I don't think it affected the canvas in any way. This is from the Diamond Painting Factory. Here is the drill kit that you get with the painting. So it has the green boat, a pair of very cheap tweezers, a pink pen with that looks like a 7 or 8 placer, single tip, a piece of wax, a squishy to put on your pen, and a little green boat. Throwaway. Yeah. I have upgraded. Haven't we all? Okay. Here is the canvas. Now, I have not, I have looked. And here's the reason why. I ordered this after Jennifer Roberts and Crashly's, Crafting with Crashly. Okay, let me start that over. DP Addiction Adventures and Crafting with Crashly announced a collaboration from the Willowing collection at the Diamond Painting Factory. And so I went on and I picked one out so I could paint along with them. They had to delay that collaboration because the image that they got was not accurate with the one that they chose. There was some problems when the image was rendered onto the canvas. So I wanted to check to see if I had the same issue, to see if my image matched what I thought I ordered. And it does, so I have no issues. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. It is a 40 by 50 centimeter painting. It's got pink in it. Yay. Look, it even has my name, Rebecca Schilling, 40 by 50 centimeters. How cool is that? And they put the date that I ordered it, 9/28/20. I think that's pretty cool. So it comes in this outer bag here. Don't you just love these bags? Yeah, I do. So here, you guys know what I got. You know what I got. We're going to go this way with it. It's poured glue. We're just going to let it sit for a second. Here are the drills. Now this, I'm not crazy about. I got to kit up all these little itty bitty bags, but it's just like every moment when you get their bags, you have to, it's the same thing. These are round. Oh, look at the pretty colors. Where's the pink? Where is the pink? Not quite pink, more of a flesh colored, a fleshy pink. Does that make sense? Not like a peachy pink. I can live with that. Okay, we'll look at those later. Let's look at what we got. Here it is. You knew I'd get Alice in Wonderland. Let's go down to the canvas so you can see the whole thing. Alice. Don't you love it? She's got a little monogram here. There's the rabbit, the Mad Hatter. He's got a little crown on. There's his watch. There's a teacup up here. We got the Cheshire Cat up here. Now I'm sewing some like pinks here, and that is an E3835. Okay, we're going to compare that with the drills. I hope that really is the color. I think it's probably this purple here, but let's check. Sorry for the crinkling if you're listening on headphones. Take them out for a second. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, what a mess. And I'm moving. I'm going to have to put that back. It would have been nice if they had given me something on the bag to identify the drills, since I usually store them separately, and I do not see an inventory sheet. I want to make sure that it didn't get, it's not here. Okay, there is no inventory sheet with this painting from the Diamond Painting Factory. Okay, not the end of the world. We can make it work. I know how to handwrite on my storage containers. So here are the drills. Okay, now this is $5.50. So there's a schematic. I don't know why I'm looking at the one way over here. There's one right here in the upper right and one in the lower left. The painting itself, look at it. It has my name on it, Rebecca Schilling. How cool is that? My name is on the canvas. It has a little thumbnail up there. I will put this up close so you can see the drill field. It has instructions for diamond painting here. If these are not adequate, then go get the Diamond Painting Guide and Logbook by Jennifer Roberts at Rocky Nook. That's the publisher. You can get 35% off if you watch the video from last night. Anyway, and then down here, www.diamondpaintingfactory.co.uk. So this is a company that is in the UK. They shipped, it took about 5 to 6 weeks to get to me. But, you know, I'm not surprised with the postal thing the way it is. I'm just looking for the pinks. I'm sorry, guys. I do want to show you the colors. This is the one I was telling you about. That's sort of that fleshy color here. 224. And look at those drills. They look pretty good. Nice and flat on one side, the way we like them. So they're not going to pop up. Lots of lavender. Here's this turquoise. There's a lot of turquoise in this painting. I want it to focus. It doesn't want to focus. It's concentrating. There we go. Oh, I love the look of these drills. Okay. That's one of the lavenders. This is the other of the lavenders here. Okay. Then we have I'm looking for that 3835 color, and I'm not finding it. So I'm gonna have to check, since there is no inventory sheet. I'm gonna put a little music here while I check this against the schematic. All of the drills are here. So what's going on here is this. In the face, you're seeing this fleshy color here, a lot in the face, surrounded by these purples here. So no actual pinks. It gives me the vibe of a pink, but it's just a lot of this fleshy color pink and these purple variations there. So we're going to put all of these drills aside. But like I said, nice looking drills for rounds. Now I'm thinking, ooh, do I want to add sparklers in here somewhere? I'm thinking like maybe the eyes here. I don't know. What do you guys think? That would be pretty cool. All right, so I'm not sure how we're gonna get those back in the bag somehow, but let's look at the schematic. Okay, we're going to look at the canvas now. Here is the schematic that I was telling you about that I had to use to mark off the drills. And you can see that the symbols are quite clear. Nothing, it looks like a little rabbit, number 12. Cute. Okay, let's look at the drill field. Like I said, this is a poured glue. I'm so glad companies are going to poured glue. Let's look at the drill field. Pretty clear symbols. There's her pocket. Oh, this is going to be so much fun to do, like a little snack size painting here. But I'm going to wait until DP Addiction Adventures and Crafts with Crashly have their collaboration. And that's when I'm going to do this canvas so I can paint along with them. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Take a look at their channel for the video that introduces this. I'll see if I can find it and I'll link it here. If I can't, go to DP Addiction Adventures, look under her videos. You'll see the, I think they're calling it Willowing Collab. I'm not positive, but take a look. So I'm excited. Another Alice. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you're new to the channel, ring the bell if you like the content, and actually give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Ring the bell if you want to know when I have another video posted. I do post Monday through Friday, the morning show with Crafting Journey. Everybody, take care. Bye.